What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing great. This video is gonna be about going to Houston, so that's gonna be badass. So it's actually my first time going to the Truck National show. My homeboy Kevin invited me, and we're actually going with Brandon. His name's Brandon. That's Kevin's homeboy. So it's a badass Denali. So y'all stay tuned throughout this whole video because he's actually pulling it in a trailer. So that's actually nice. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna hear it, and y'all gonna see how fast it is. So y'all stay tuned. And yeah, actually Kevin's gonna pick me up around 2:30 in the morning. So I actually gotta go shower because it's like 12, and I gotta get this video going. So y'all stay tuned throughout this whole video, and I hope you guys like it. We made it to Houston, like, I don't know, like 30 minutes ago. They're about to unload the truck. I just came in here to do the video because there's a generator out there and it's too loud. So let's go out there and let's set up the camera. What you doing?
Just check the tire pressure.
Check the tire pressure. Okay. Everyone in Houston, big cams. Look at this. And right there. Alright guys, I think it's time. We're gonna get in the back of the truck. We're gonna head over there. And they're gonna test it. So I'll go out. It's racing time, baby.
I hope he goes versus that fucking
Oh yeah. Hey, it's gonna be fun. See what he does. Ooh. Kevin, what you think? Woo! just a test. So he's on his way right now. He did a good job right there. I didn't record on my camera, but I recorded on my phone because I'm like I'm just gonna record the real one. So let's go look at it.
What is it? Oh, nothing, just a real cash can putting in work, not them fucking little ass baby cash cans y'all use. Look, I'm just kidding.
Checking the fuel.
Yo, just got back from testing and tuning in 2 passes. Brandon's running faster than what he's supposed to. He's in the 12.0 class. He's running 1180s, 1190s, so he's gonna have to brake on the top end. We're about to go to the driver's meeting. Hopefully everything goes well.
Hopefully he does good this race right now coming up. So let's see what he does right now.
12.0 class, see how it does.
12.0 right here.
From out of town, a lot of people from out of town, a lot of guys local. I want to apologize for the stoppage. We're way behind schedule, so we're gonna be forced to try to run through it as fast as we can. The track prep is on point, the weather's perfect, the personal bests are there, but we also unfortunately do get a lot of breakage. So with that, I'm gonna get everybody like a quick run order. We're gonna run it. We're gonna separate everybody between the 1/4 mile classes and the 8 mile classes. Run what you run. We got 2 trucks signed up so far, so we're gonna put that one on hold. And there's one guy, I think the ICT guy, I gotta talk to him. He might want to go back to and try a different class, but we'll take care of that in a little bit. So I'm not sure where he's at, but find me afterwards. Lane 2, lane 3, lane 4. We got 10. I think we're gonna have a few classes that might exceed that, but we'll address those individually. The rules, track rules is first and foremost. Track has final decision. When you grab the tree, the moment both drivers grab the tree, whatever happens at that point, it's track rules. So if you brake, if you red light, you lose. If you cross, you lose. If you hit the wall, you lose. And first is worse. So one guy red lights, another guy goes and crashes. Well, the guy red light, I'm sorry, but he loses first. Well, they're both gonna be out. But it would work out that way. Deep stage is allowed. Deep stage, and if you don't know deep stages, if he bumps and he goes a little bit too far, the top bulb will turn off and the bottom bulb stays on. That's allowed. So, and then all the 8 mile classes will be Pro Tree, 400s Pro Tree. Because we're so late, we've canceled the cruise. So everybody that signed up for the Factory Street and Outlaw Street, we'll do it apart, but we're not gonna go on a cruise. When we line up though, I am gonna go through everybody's trucks and just make sure you're within the rules. And if we miss something, as a driver, if you're racing against somebody and that guy doesn't beat the rules, let us know beforehand.
All right, guys. So these are the real races right here. This is where it starts. So if you lose, you're out. And yes, this is first race. We'll see how it goes. Ooh. Beat that one right now. He just beat it. Turbo. See how it goes.
Okay, you got right. These right here is the seat.
To lanes 2 and 3. Outlaw Street.
What's your last name, bro?
To lanes 4 and 5.
All right, so he got lane 11, right? Lane 11 and number 11. As you can see right there, I recorded it. So he's gonna move his truck over there to lane 11 and first race.
Yeah, first official elimination race, yeah. Nervous and ready at the same time.
He said he's pretty nervous, so see how it goes. I'm gonna record it right there, and I just wait and see it.
Hey man, what's going on over here? Let's go tell him good luck. Good luck, bro. The GoPro.
Left lane all the way from Colorado. Got a heavy on the left lane. Who got it?
All right, guys. So he made it to the next round. The other guy red lighted, so we're going to the next round, and he's gonna go get his chip again to see what number he gets, and then I'm gonna pick up the camera on the next race because it's gonna be insane. And I'm gonna go on the same spot because I like those shots. Hopefully he gets right lane, so I can get those shots again. I'm gonna pick up the camera once he's at the ready to race, and I'll just start recording. All right, guys. Second round. He's going against this truck right here that I'm about to show y'all. So, and this truck is actually pretty fast. We actually look at the stats right now. Look at that. And he goes against Little Nolly right here. So let's see what happens. Guys, hey, it happens. That day, we got the second round. He got the second round. He did. He got the second round. He lost it. He said he left it on first gear. If he wouldn't have left it on first gear, but he panicked. If he wouldn't have left it on first gear, it would have been over. It would have been over. We would have won. He would have won, and we would have advanced to the next round. But unfortunately, things happen. So you don't always get what you want. So. Yeah, we're probably gonna leave right now, put it in the trailer right here, put it in the trailer and then pack it up and go eat because we haven't ate all day.